My name is Alain Pellet. I am a professor of the international law in the University of Paris, Paris West, and I am a member and former chairman of the International Law Commission of the United Nations. So I will try to introduce you to the very important topic of responsibility in international law. We will have a wide view of this, while it is in fact a very technical issue. As Paul Rotter, who was a very well-known French professor, remarked, quote, "Responsibility is at the heart of international law. It constitutes an essential part."